Hi everyone, welcome to my house tour. Strap in. So this is what you very first see when you walk in my door. And I'll say right off the bat that 90% of my stuff is from Target, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, a little bit of World Market. So I'm gonna really talk about the things that I feel like are kind of personal to me, and that's how I like to decorate. I like to look at things and remember the memory of where it came from. So let's start. This mirror right here is actually just an H&M home mirror, but still kind of special because I actually picked this up in Edinburgh when I was visiting my sister who lives in Scotland. And I just love it. I love anything that's eye-shaped. Here are some plants that I struggle to keep alive. They're pothos. They're supposed to be hardy, but I don't know. So far, not so good. These are just some little trinkets. None of these particularly have anything really sentimental about them, and I'm constantly moving stuff around. I'm really wanting a shelf to put some of these ceramics on. This is just an IKEA couch, TJ Maxx pillows. So here's some more things that are special to me. My friend Megan, who's actually in my last video, painted this with watercolor, and it's a picture of the outside of my house. So that's really special. I got a frame for it. I think it looks cute right here. This is also from Scotland because my sister got it for me in St. Andrews where she goes to school. This chair was one of the first home purchases I made once I bought this house as far as decor goes. And it's an actual vintage mid-century chair, peacock style fan, whatever you want to call it. And then I bought these eucalyptus. They're real, but they are preserved. And again, my sister helped me put these in because she's crafty like that. And I love the way it looks. More plants. I'm constantly having to replace plants because I kill them. Again, snake plants are supposed to be hardy. You'll see a couple of these throughout the house. It's just a little blanket holder. I don't use this blanket to sleep on. And once you come this way, it's just in towards my bedroom. There's a mirror right here. And you'll see my hallway behind me, which we'll get there in a second. So here's a little overview of my bedroom. Sorry if it's super bright. I have the windows open. These are both World Market purchases, the rug and the chair, which I like a lot. These are IKEA closets that we installed because you'll notice there's not a ton of closet space in this house. I'll show you what's in here, but like pretty boring. This is kind of just hodgepodge of, those are costume stuff, sweaters, workout gear. So there's some dog stuff at the bottom. This closet is where I hold all of my dresses, shoes. And you'll see I clearly have more dresses than shirts because my shirts don't even fill up this side. And this is jackets, some work jackets. I use down here for some storage. I like to dry my clothes on this hanging rack and just use it for storage as well. And then lastly in this one, just more, you're really seeing how unorganized I am, but I didn't want to not show you. I just have a lot of crap, what can I say? Over here, more little trinkets. This is my gratitude journal, which if you watched my manifestation tips video, you will have seen that. Love my bed, it's so comfy. I made this dream catcher. I love it. I also made this little macrame holder. And then you'll see a lot of things from my friend Elena around this house. These are two. She gave me this card that says, "Your dream life starts now," which is really a motto I like to live by. And this little oyster, which I think is so cute. It's a Christmas ornament, but I love how it looks right there. This card's also from her from a while ago, which I framed because I love it. It's a little oyster. This little bowl keeps my sage, an incense holder. I got this from a place called Friends NYC. It's in Bushwick in New York, and I love that place. So cool if you're ever over there. Malia Obama shopped there, so you know it's cool. This is actually a heating pad, not a stuffed animal, so I keep him in here so I don't forget about him. This is where I keep my jewelry, random stuff, all of my camera accessories. This is my film camera. These are things I need to frame that I just got in New York. This is a fake plant, but I think it looks pretty good because, as we've established, me having a fiddle leaf fern wasn't going to go well. This is another ceramic piece I love. She gave me this free holder with it, so I keep it right here with a little cactus. Oh, I almost forgot. This is Harry Styles from an artist called Badly Drawn Art. And he was so sweet. These are his prints, but when I ordered them, I think I ordered 3, and he ended up giving me 5. And I had requested for him to draw Justin Bieber, so he did this one. So I was the first person to have a Justin Bieber print from him. And I love it. And I have Kim K and James Franco, who honestly I should probably replace with my Miley Cyrus one that I also have, because I feel like he's sort of problematic, but I mean, it looks cool, and you know, what can you do? Everyone's problematic these days. This is my bathroom. I love this sign that says Femme. Little palm tree curtain. It's not too exciting. This is just one room I still want to redo, but it gets the job done. And I forgot to show you guys that this is my laundry room. Again, nothing exciting, just my washer dryer. And then this is my guest room, which actually used to be my sister's room, which is why it's pink, because she really wanted it pink. I love this little watermelon neon light. I've kind of made this into my makeup room for now. I just got this off Amazon, this plastic holder. And I like this mirror in here, and sometimes the lighting's good in here if you actually open the windows. You'll notice this is also where I just filmed my transformation video. And we actually rearranged it a little bit. Shout out to my mom for helping me clean my house last time she was here and rearranging some stuff. This was a chair I actually found on the street, and I love it. It has a little, it needs to be recaned on the seat, but isn't it cute? Filming stuff, a mirror in a closet that has no door. So again, this room is definitely a work in progress. So now we're gonna go back out. Again, to orient you, here's my bedroom. Here's my living room. And then you'll see this goes into my other living space and my kitchen. I love this archway right here. Oh, and I meant to show you more plants, but this little bowl, I keep all of the matches I collect. I love collecting matches. If you know a place that has a good matchbox, let me know. Also, I feel like I'm breathing like Darth Vader, so I apologize. Another snake plant. These are also special to me because my sister made these for me. I love them. That one's You're an Idiot, Steve Harrington. That's my favorite. Huge Stranger Things fan. Also, that has my Wi-Fi password. Maybe you should blur that out. I don't know. Neighbors, I don't know. This is a little shelf. Again, has some little knickknacks that I like on it. My TV. I really want to replace this console because it's dark, and I've had it ever since I graduated college, I think. It was like my parents gave it to me. But yeah, we just need something brighter in here. And I'm also going to put more art on these blank walls. I want some big pieces, and I just haven't made a decision yet of what I want. This is my bar cart. This was from a post-Animal concert, which is also kind of a Stranger Things tie-in because Joe Keery used to be in that band who plays Steve Harrington. I love that poster though. I just think it's so cool looking. Couch from IKEA. I keep this Noah Centineo ASOS thing here because look at that face. Oh. This is my iMac, which is sort of a recent purchase, and I use it to edit my videos on, so bless it. It's made my life a lot easier. This kitchen is probably one of my most proud areas of the house. Again, shout out to my family they've helped me so much on this house. We knocked down a wall that used to be here. I'll try to insert a before picture and you can see how different it looked. It's kind of crazy. We picked out these cabinets. I picked out this countertop myself. And these handles, which I installed with my sister. This is my wine fridge. This decanter is from Pottery Barn, I believe, and it really does make your wine taste better. I thought that was just like, I don't know, pretentious shit, but I'm telling you, it helps. This is my little plant area. Again, some knickknacks I love. This one's also, I didn't realize how much stuff I have from Edinburgh, but this is from a little shop on the same street that Diagon Alley is based on. And I just love ceramics. This one's from a local ceramic place. My sister brought me back this little tiki mug from DC because we love tiki drinks. These are my favorite ceramic pieces. They're from Brian Januski. He does drippy pots, drippypots.com. Buy his stuff. It's super cool. He's a Philly-based artist. And these are from Anthro, and I love these glasses and pitcher. Here you can get a close-up. Oh, I also love this candle. It's iridescent. I'm obsessed with anything iridescent. And I really like the choice we went with for the countertops. My parents brought me back this from Spain. This is also from Elena. I love it. It makes shaved ice. I don't know if it's gonna do it right now, but his eyes move back. Oh yeah, there we go. My trusty KitchenAid. And here you can see, oh no, you can't see. Okay, well this is a view into my backyard. Thank you so much for coming along with me on my house tour. I hope you enjoyed it. It's still a work in progress. I'm like so excited to add more art. I love art. I love things that have sentimental value. Also, I hope you don't mind that I'm wearing glasses. I'm getting LASIK on Friday and I'm so excited. Maybe I might vlog that experience. So, you know, I would love it if you subscribed, like this video, leave a comment, tell me if there's anything you think I should add. Thanks for watching.